Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer, as it is the place where we can enter all of those codes, and let's start with probably the most known code, which is *## 06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both the main numbers of this device. Let's tap on OK, and let me show you another code, which is very similar to the previous one. It is *## 07#. And as you can see, we can check the maximum SAR level, so the head and the body of our device. Let's tap on OK, and let me show you another code, which will open the calendar info. It is *## 225#*##*##. And as I said, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We could check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events, because here they are grouped into particular special sections. Let's go back, and let me show you another code, which is *##6776#. And as you can see here, we can check the information about the software version, so the model, Android version, baseband version, kernel, branch, for example, build time, and PCB number. Let's go back, and let me show you the engineering mode. And the code for it is *##888#. And as I said, we are in the engineer mode. Here we can check the PCB number, which is more, you can scan this QR code with another device and check the information about the hardware. Let's go back, and let me show you another code, *##800#. And as you can see, we are in the feedback menu. So basically, it is a section where if you meet any issues with your device, so for example the overheating, power usage, if you've got problems with phone calls, with Wi-Fi, with camera, touch screen, etc., you can report them here. So for example, you can enter the screen, you can decide that you've got some problems with touch screen, and as you can see, you will be able to record the screen. I highly recommend to keep to tap on always allow. You will record the problem, you will capture it, and then you will be able to send it to the developer. So they will try to solve your problems immediately. So I highly recommend to remember about this code, which is *##800#. And thanks to this, if you will meet any issues, you will always be able to report it simply and probably get some help. Let me show you the last code basically, which is I think the easiest to remember. It is *##1234#. And here we can check the version of the software. Okay, so basically this is it. This is how to use secret codes in your OnePlus Nord device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.